blessings that you shower on the spiritual.
Hello everyone out there. On behalf of Mount Pisgah College and family, we would like to extend this invitation to all our near and dear ones, especially the alumni, to please come and join Mount Pisgah EU Decadal celebration, which is scheduled to be on 16th of December. So please do come and join. Let's celebrate God's faithfulness to this family, particularly the Mount Pisgah EU. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, this is me Grayson. Mount Pisgah Evangelical Union is celebrating 10 years of God's faithfulness, Decadal celebration.
Under the theme, the memory of God's abundant goodness.
Hi everyone, it's me Ripu, Mount Pisgah EU President. I warmly welcome and invite all of you to our 10 years Decadal celebration.
We are worship team and we will be leading the worship during Decadal celebration. We want to worship together with you all. Please do come. Bye.
Bye.